So here you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and fly this over here and take off. Wow. That thing flew off like wanna go somewhere. Now you can see here how exactly how it hovered, and see the video quality. So let's do record. So it's recording for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here for now. And we're gonna see how is the flight characteristic on this one go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and turn the Mambo on. And then yeah, so while it's doing that, because I already know this one can fly longer than this, so you can see it by itself. But you can see the Tello is drifting because of the wind, but the obstacle, sensor still working, the off-flow sensor. So I'm gonna go ahead and go here to Tello, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the Parrot. Okay, open Wi-Fi, and then I'm gonna go, oh, okay, hold on, I'm gonna go Mambo. So no, Mambo is going in there now, checking, and then it should be okay. Go back here. Okay, now Mambo is on. So it's connecting. Give me just a second. You see what I'm talking about? It's just faster with the Mambo. I'm sorry, with the Tello. See, with the Mambo you still gotta wait. But we go start, and then of course we have the props on. I should take off the props, guys, but I just do it anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off, and then you can see here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and you can see both of them are fighting with, they look like they're GPS drones, but I don't know why I lost connection. Oh wow, this guy lost connection. So I lost connection, now I'm screwed. Oh wow, see, that's what I'm talking about when you're using a phone. This is bad. You see a Tello? I can't even turn this off. I'm gonna get my hands ripped here. Mambo! What happened to Mambo? Oh crap, so the only way I can get in there oh wow, so the only way I can do right now is get it off from the app. Hopefully it will detect. See, you see what I'm talking. So anyway, I gotta go land. Anyway, I lost it here. I don't know what just happened, but this guy is off, so I gotta take off the battery. It's dangerous too. Ah! Let me see if I can just hold on to. Wow. So all that time I lost battery already, and the Mambo here is still doing good, so I'm gonna go and take a picture. I mean, it's windy and it's still, you can see it's still hovering. So I'm gonna go here for a little bit. I'm gonna lower down. I'm gonna lower down for a little bit. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and face me here. Oh, it's really bright. But it's crazy how this happened. I'm trying to do this together, guys. Then I'm gonna go here because it's really bright. So yes, it's a bummer. You guys can see, and I just have the Tello right there. But I need to go back here. What's going on? So probably, hold on. Okay, let's go back before my Tello ran out of battery. You can see here it's doing a trick for me. All right, I'm gonna go back to Mambo here. So it's not connected. So let's go back to my Wi-Fi settings. See, by the time I'm doing this, I probably don't have a battery anymore. See, look at me. I'm mostly over here, and I have my Tello over there. And while I'm working on my Mambo, it's crazy. It's still showing I have a little bit more battery. Wow, it's crazy how it just hover there. I don't wanna, I don't wanna go ahead and say because I'm a DJ fan. I wanna make this a fair